This quick tutorial will show you how to make private voice and text Discord channels. Start by creating a new channel. You can do this via right-clicking on the left panel or by pressing the plus icon next to a category. Choose either voice or text channel. Give your channel a name, then enable the private channel feature. Turn on the switch next to any role you want to have access to this channel. Press Create Channel. Private voice channels will be displayed with a lock next to them for any user that doesn't have the role to join. If you want the channel to be invisible to these users, then click the gear icon next to the channel name. Switch to Permissions. Select the Everyone role. Disable the View Channel option, then save. If you want to make specialized private channels like staff channels, then you may want to use private categories. Right-click on the left side panel and choose to create a category. Name your category. Turn on the switch to enable private mode. Enable access for the roles you want to be able to view the included channels. Press Create Category. Now you can press the plus next to the category to create new channels. Any channel created inside this category will follow the rules previously set. This means you don't need to enable private mode for each channel individually. If you drag a channel into a private category, you will be given the option to sync these settings. Syncing will convert the channel from open to private. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed the video, then please consider leaving a like and comment. It really helps support us. Also, consider subscribing for more tech videos.